Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes wireless adapter missing in Windows 10 fix. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Select Network Adapters. Click Action, scan for hardware changes. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type netsh, space, winsock, space, reset. Type exit to command prompt. Restart system. Second method is type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Select and open W1 Auto Config. Change startup type to automatic. Click Start, Apply, OK. If same error still exists, third method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type netcfg, space, -d. Type exit to command prompt. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.